So in this video, we want to take a look at how we can construct a parallelogram when we have been given the side lengths and a measure of the angles. So here you can see we have been given a measure of the angle and we have been given the lengths of the two sides of our parallelogram. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to draw a straight line, and at any point on this line of your choosing we will mark a point. So what we're going to do next is setting the width of our compass equal to the length of the longest line. We are going to draw a circle centered around this point, and the radius of this circle will be equal to the length of this line. So we'll draw that circle now. Okay, so what we will do now is we will just mark where that circle intersected our line. So the next thing we wish to do is, taking our compass again, we wish to set the width of our compass equal to the length of the shorter line. And having done that, we will draw two circles, one centered around this point here and the other around the point over here. So we'll draw those circles now. And the second circle. Okay, so what we have now is we have a large circle whose radius length is equal to the length of the longer side, and we have two other circles whose radius lengths are equal to the length of the shorter side. So what we will do now is we will take our protractor and mark an angle of 70 degrees, first at this point and then at this point. So I'll just line up our protractor. And what we will do now is, counting 70 degrees over from the right hand side, we will just place a mark on our protractor at 70 degrees. Okay, so there we have a mark of 70 degrees. So we can remove our protractor, and we're just going to draw a line from this point through that mark of 70 degrees. Okay, so what we're going to do now is mark another angle of 70 degrees at this point here. So I'll just set up the protractor again. And again, we will just mark, place a tick at the 70 degrees. Okay, so there we have another mark at 70 degrees. So we can get rid of our protractor again. And we will draw one more line from this point up to where we marked 70 degrees. Okay, so now our construction is pretty much complete. What we wish to do is to highlight where these two lines intercept the two smaller circles. So we'll do that now. And finally, we will draw a line between these 2 points. And that is our construction complete. Because these two lines are parallel and of the length of the longest line. These two shorter lines are parallel and of the length of the shorter line, and these two lines are making angles of 70 degrees as required. So I'll just highlight that now. And there you can see we have created the parallelogram as requested, so our construction is complete.